G'day everyone, it's Chriso. This is how you mark, or this is how I mark my tiles around the top without using the tape. So you put your tile up there. I always allow about 4mm gap. Did you see how I did that? You mark it there, and then you turn your tile around, put it up, mark it there. Then when I turn, like I've marked it like that, then when I've cut it and I turn it over like that to have the cut edge up the top, that's how it is there. I hope you can see that. It's miles quicker than using a tape. DIYers would use a tape, but if you learn how to do it this way, way better. Quicker. I always leave this till the last, right around the top, because then I'm only up and down once. Now I'm making it the same, so my cut will be, I've measured out about 400, so my tile goes up there like that, and I've cut it too, and I've cut it too big. There you go. And that fits nicely. That's number one. So I'll cut a few and then I slap them up. So same process. Up, allow about 4mm there. There, when you turn it over, that side is there, that side is there. Pop that up, look at that. Nice. So I'll turn on a bit of music. That's number 2, and I'll carry on around. Hopefully you'll get the hang of it. It's a little bit tricky to learn, but not really. I'm dead level and straight and all that sort of thing, but a ceiling never is. It's never level. Sometimes the cornice is up and down. So that's why you mark them individually. Okay. We'll see you soon. It's number 2. You want to keep learning? Lean in, subscribe, and you will learn to tile. Look at that. Ooh. So I've got that like that, but I've got to cut it. I don't want to cut that side, it's got to be that side. So you flip it over. Just like that. That cornice is slightly down. That's why I've got to trim that off a little. All good. Okay, we'll see you folks. Be back soon. Bye.